Most people get this wrong. They think the Denial Platinum card is just another travel credit card. But the surprising truth is that it's packed with benefits tailored specifically for frequent travelers who value airport experiences and lifestyle perks. The Denial Platinum card offers rewards on all spending, with bonus points for travel-related purchases like flights and hotels. These points can be redeemed for travel, retail, or dining experiences. Cardholders also enjoy airport lounge access, priority check-in, and travel insurance, which adds real value for those who fly frequently. Another highlight is lifestyle perks. The card provides dining offers, retail discounts, and exclusive events, which are useful if you enjoy premium experiences. Some users also benefit from concierge services that can assist with travel bookings or event reservations. Annual fees are reasonable compared to other premium travel cards, but it's important to factor it in your usage. The card really shines if you travel often and use the lounges and points system. Otherwise, some benefits might go unused. The surprising truth is that the Denial Platinum card is more than just points. It's a lifestyle card designed to enhance your travel and entertainment experiences, while also offering solid rewards and protection. In conclusion, Emirates MBD's Denial Platinum credit card is ideal for frequent travelers and lifestyle-focused users who want perks, rewards, and convenience. If you value airport access, travel perks, and premium experiences, this card is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and insights to help you choose the right card for your lifestyle.